Jamaican horse racing fans were treated to one of the best and most riveting jockey championships ever seen at Caymanas Park. Radish Rahman and Tevin Foster treated the fraternity to a season-long ding-dong battle royale never seen before. And quite appropriately, it came down to the last race day of the year when Rahman came in leading Foster by 3 winners, only for Foster to go back to back to back and draw level with the critical and decisive ride that eventually separated the batchmates from the jockey school, coming in race number 5 when Rahman guided Oil Machine to a runaway win to clinch his first ever jockey championship by the finest of margins. So congratulations are in order to Radish Rahman, and kudos also to Tevin Foster for his part in the spectacle that added so much needed spice to the local racing product. And trust me, it really needed it.